ole I inga I le tua. I lea o unanga ma lea tina. O le ngata e. Manuia I la o manuia le tunu. Manuia a inga o le tunu o whanau. O whao ngā ina ni tāleni o le ai lao. Ia whamanuia ina I le tua. Ma tō manui o tō whatau teina. Awana I ngalo. I le tau fia mo I tātou le vi inga. Ia foi le tua le vi inga.
Tonight is the beginning of the new chapter of the Laumei Whaianga journey. It took me 14 years to reach here tonight. I have to repeat that. It took me 14 years to reach here tonight. But this could not have been made possible without unconditional support and endorsement by our Prime Minister, Raofionga Fieme Naomi Mtafa, who make tonight a reality. Faftai lava. Lau pule lea, Raofionga Safapitu.
It gives me great pleasure to deliver these remarks tonight to witness the start of a new chapter in the history of the Sivafi and Laumei Whaianga and their extraordinary journey. Fire knife dancing is rooted in our culture and tradition. It is part of our Samoan identity and sets us aside from other Pacific cultures. It has promoted Samoa throughout the world and has blessed the many families of talented youths who are given opportunities to work and perform abroad. With your record of achievements, I have no doubt that the Leota's sound investments in this venture between government and the Sivafi will bear positive results for our tourism sector. I wish you both, Leota and Claire, as well as Sivafi, and all your supporters, all the best. I am therefore very pleased to declare the Sivafi Laumei Whaianga Entertainment Centre officially opened. Soifua Maiamanuia.
Yes.